When work-life balance actually means something. Cloudstaff proved just that as it brought employees, families, and friends together for the much-awaited CS Global Fiesta 2025 held at Aqua Planet Park on August 23. From the corporate vibe, the event transformed into a summer getaway where laughter, music, and splashes of water ruled the day. Adding more excitement were the raffle prizes, lively games, and of course, masasarap na food stalls na kumpleto ang fiesta feels. Cloudstaffers didn't just come alone. Dala rin nila ang kani-kanilang mga pamilya at barkada, making the day more memorable and heartwarming.
Actually, 1 year and 3 months pa lang po ako sa Cloudstaff. Kaya sabi ko, parang dream come true po kasi naging part ako ng Cloudstaffer. Kasi yung importance po ng family at saka family-oriented po kasi yung company namin. Tapos po, work-life balance po. May bonding as well as yung lahat po ng mga, parang wala pong babayaran kasi. Pupunta ka lang, suot mo lang yung swimsuit mo, mag-swimming ka lang and enjoy.
3 epic days, countless memories, and one big message. Cloudstaff isn't just about remote work. It's about creating a community where everyone wins both inside and outside the workplace.
So we've had 9,000 people over 3 days here at Aqua Planet, and it's just a great way to thank our staff and invite their family and their friends and loved ones in there as well, because we appreciate them. They are powering hundreds and hundreds of businesses all around the world. Work-life balance is everything for us. You know, we don't sell a product, we don't make a product that we're going to sell. We offer the great Filipino talent to the world. So what we do, we deal with people, and caring for our people is absolutely everything for us. That's why it's so important for us to do days like this where we can bring people in together and appreciate them.
Dito sa CS Global Fiesta 2025, happiness is not just a perk, it's part of the culture. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.